All right, guys, we've got the Gosyes pocket device. This thing has both insertion points. I have to be very careful how I show you this because I want to make sure the video gets approved. So if you're looking for visual details, I'm going to describe them to you, but you want to make sure you look on the product page because that's where you're going to get the full imagery of what this is. First of all, I want to tell you extremely soft silicone skin-like. I have tested out about 250 products in this specific category of product. So I have a pretty good handle on quality, material, feel, the use of it, all that kind of stuff. Very skin-like. Also very lifelike. The look of both insertion points is extremely accurate, even with the coloring. You obviously you see the skin-like color here. It definitely gets more real as you get closer to the actual insertion points. And then you can sort of see we've got those rings here. Now, they're there, dude. I mean, this is a very, very niche kind of device. So this is going to be for someone looking specifically for that. And we all know there's a specific kind of woman that's going to end up with those type of rings and things like that. That's obviously what you're into. That's what this device is going to give you. Also, you can see size-wise, definitely is more of a pocket design. So going to be very useful that way. You could stuff it in your drawer. There's probably different places you could stuff it, maybe in your glove box. I don't know where all you're going to want to use it. Going to be very easy to clean. You can just rinse it. You can use both insertion points, very lifelike. Just honestly, it is what it says it is, does what it says it does. And in my opinion, I can definitely tell you the second insertion point is definitely going to be firm. That's gonna be tight, and which is what you're going for. I'm gonna say incredible value on this. This is an incredible value for a device like this. Compactness, but life likeness and incredible value. Highly recommend.